Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we're diving into something truly wild and exciting. The 2026 Dacia Dokker 6x6 Camper Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. A Dacia Dokker, but not as you know it. This beast has been transformed into a rugged six-wheel drive camper that's turning heads and breaking boundaries. Right from the start, this modified Dokker looks like it belongs on a different planet. Its extended chassis supports 3 axles, making it a true 6x6 setup. The aggressive off-road tires, lifted suspension, and bull bars shout adventure. It's not just a van anymore, it's a go-anywhere mobile base camp. Under the hood, we're looking at a reliable diesel powertrain that's been tuned to handle the extra weight and terrain. It's not going to win any drag races, but when you're crawling up rocky trails or pushing through muddy forest paths, Torque is your best friend, and the Dokker delivers. Step inside, and you're greeted with a surprisingly functional camper layout. There's a foldable bed, modular kitchenette, a compact fridge, and even solar panels on the roof for off-grid power. It's not luxury, but it's clever, efficient, and built for the road less traveled. There's also extra storage everywhere. Under the bed, in the extended roof space, and even built into the side walls. Driving it feels like commanding a tank with the heart of a van. The upgraded suspension handles rough terrain better than you'd expect. And while it's not a plush ride, it's definitely capable and confidence-inspiring. On the road, it still feels like a Dokker, nimble for its size, yet with that unstoppable 6x6 traction. Now, this isn't a factory model. It's a custom conversion, often done by specialist builders in Europe. But it shows the incredible potential of the Dacia Dokker platform when imagination and engineering meet. It's part van, part truck, part overlander, and all adventure. So, if you're dreaming of off-road escapes, wild landscapes, and living off the grid in something that doesn't cost a fortune, the 2026 Dacia Dokker 6x6 camper might just be the most underrated overland rig out there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more wild wheels and honest reviews. Only on Honest Auto Wheels.